today I'll be doing homemade squishy update number 2, and if you haven't seen my first one, please go check it out. Also, all of these following squishies that you'll be seeing are cakes, so let's just get started. First, I have this green one, and this one's like Christmas themed. This one has a red top and glittery green background with some sprinkles and some yellow lines. This one is soft, but it's not that polarizing. This galaxy one with gold filling. This one is really squishy. There's purple one, and it has a metallic green background with some green droplets of icing and really random design. So I don't even know what to call it. I have this one with a gold top, and this one has a purple background with neon orange drizzling, and it looks actually not that neon in camera, but it is actually really bright. This one is pink. This rainbow one, and it has black filling. This one is really squishy. Also has this frosting on the side. It's just glittery white mixed with this yellow. Last but not least, I have this neon yellow one with a glittery silver top with metallic green droplets of icing, and then this blue drizzling and some sprinkles. This one is really thin because I cut it in half to see the size comparisons. So yeah, that's all for my homemade squishy update, and thanks for watching. Bye guys!